Well, shoot, it's Sunday morning. Well, we're gonna shrink fit some parts. I call it cold welding or cryogenic welding. Taking, liquid nitrogen to absolute zero, close to it, and be shrinking that metal, sticking these parts together. Y'all thought I was just some dumb old hillbilly down here in Texas. Didn't know nothing about nothing and all that stuff. I do some of the weirdest things. You don't want to get too much of that shit on you. That liquid nitrogen, it'd be cold. Let's see how our pucks do. You know, they need to be really, 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 really close, really tight. About 2 thousandths off. They got to be pretty much dead on, but so, cryogenic freezing, like gears on big old shafts. If you'll Google that, like how do they put the gears on a battleship drive shafts? It's about that big and the gears about that thick. Hell, you just weld the thing on the outside or whatever. Shit. That's not got a whole lot of length or surface area when you're being driven by 100,000 horsepower diesel motor, right? So they cryogenically freeze gears on the shafts, and nothing has a holding power like that. You just gotta, Google some of that stuff. Man, it's interesting as hell how they do that. And of course, we're just doing a derivative of that. In she goes. We have just cryogenically welded that puck to that hub. And as it warms up and expands, they become welded forever. There is no way that you will remove this part from that part without just completely destroying both parts. All you've done is bring that molecular structure all the way down to its two crystalline form, as small as they can get with no energy and very, very little vibration. And so it's become as small as it can be. Slide those two parts together and there you go. You've welded them. Interesting as hell. I'll tell you what, gang. Your machining has got to be absolutely precise. Absolutely precise and double checked over and over again how to do, because I tell you what, you ain't got long when you're cryogenically, so, gets this thing cockeyed or whatever, it doesn't go in all the way, you only got about a second, maybe 2 seconds to make an extreme judgment call, or that both the units are destroyed. If it's too big, by half 10 thousandths it won't go in, it'll hang up on you, and I tell you what, when they're real expensive parts, it'll make you nervous, I'll tell you. See, here we go. They're bonding. Oh, God darn. Spent all that money on your eye surgery and then you still don't take care of the son of bitches. Whew. Boy, he's getting better. Hot darn, he's getting better. There we go. We have cryogenically welded in the geared hubs into the blanks. There we go. God bless you. God bless America. And shit, I ain't as dumb as I look, am I? Maybe I done did that once or twice. Maybe I done got that master's in metallurgy. Shit, man, he ain't as stupid as he looks.